Hey guys, it's Sirena, and yes, I'm back. I haven't posted in forever. It's been a long couple of months since I last said that I couldn't post videos because I've just been working on schoolwork. It's not fun. I didn't even get my grades up that much, to be honest. I was really slacking towards the end of junior year, but luckily since it's summer, I get to finally enjoy my summer vacation, and I'm going to actually start posting. And I swear to God, guys, like I know last time I said that, uh like literally 2 videos later, I filmed a update video on why I couldn't post anymore because of school. But this time, like, I will be up to date. Even when school starts, I'm going to still be posting on my regular schedule, even though like how stressful it gets. But yeah, I just wanted to tell you guys this is kind of like a welcome back video that I will start posting again, and I'll be posting every Sundays. Um, I'm actually really excited. I missed using YouTube a lot. Like, seriously, like talking to other artists online was just like so cool, especially because there's not that many. Like, I mean, there's art students at my school who take art, but they're not really like passionate about it because I don't know, they just take it more for a class than like actually like, oh, art is so much fun and stuff. So it's just really cool to be able to connect with different artists online and just talk about like our struggles or like what we're going through when we're like painting or drawing. So I'm really excited to start posting. And oh my gosh. Um Next video, which is actually going to be next Sunday, I believe it's I don't okay, wait, it's June 15th today. So I will be in Alaska then. So the video I post is actually gonna be filmed in advance. But yeah, that's how I'm gonna like start posting. But it'll still be out by I can't add 15 plus 7. I'm too tired, guys. Oh my gosh. I stayed up way too late. But anyways, yeah, so I will be posting a video, and I will be start posting like every Sundays. And I'm really excited, guys. So I hope you enjoy my drawing of an eye. It was a very quick drawing. It was like on small paper, so I was able to like, cut it out and stuff. But lastly, I wanted to tell you guys to comment down below what your summer plans are, and if you're gonna start a YouTube channel or start up videos like me, or even just like do art more, because I need to do art more. Like literally during school, I was just slacking. I was just all in schoolwork. I mean, I did some art, but like not a lot. So I definitely want to build up that portfolio and see how it goes. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and see you guys next video. Bye guys.